All right, so there's a King of Swords in the energy who's being deceptive. They're coming out in Seven of Swords energy, or they're trying to be strategic, but I don't think it's in the light of what it needs to be. I mean, we're going to read on it. King of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Doesn't have to be, this could be a government official, this could be a cop, it could be anybody, but what's coming out is King of Swords. Okay, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. If they're not an air sign, they can have air in their big three. All right, this is somebody here who's moving real fucking disrespectful. Like, okay, this person is about to get caught up in lies about something. All right, we're gonna see lies about what exactly. Lies about what? Make it plain, Holy Spirit. They could be lying about getting attacked right now. That's for one. Your ancestors is driving this person crazy. All right. This King of Swords could be lying on a fire sign woman. Nah, I can't make it up now. It's coming out. I just pulled a new piece of the damn Now or Later deck out the bin here. Yep. This person could have lied on this fire sign woman in the past as well. Or this person could be lying about this fire sign woman's past. Take what resonates. This air sign man is lying on a fire sign woman. Hey, this fire sign woman don't care about no haters. Okay. And this fire sign woman is also more than happy to testify in court. Oh, shit. Okay. This fire sign woman would be more than happy to testify in court. For some of you, this got something to do with pedophilia. Oh, no, nah, y'all done really fucked up. We can't even, use that word here. Okay, there's a King of Swords lying about probably a lot of things. This fire sign woman is possessed by the light. And what that means is, right, because I got multiple cards, light possession, dark possession. Light means this person is working with the angelic hosts of high vibration and divine white light, meaning the archangels, meaning the ones that sit by God's throne. Okay, the throne room angels. Okay. Meaning that this fire sign woman is not lying. This King of Swords is. This person is afraid to reveal their true feelings about how they feel about this situation. Wow, you're getting Ace of Swords energy. That's the truth. This person is afraid that this fire sign woman is going to tell the truth. They're afraid of this fire sign woman telling the truth about what really fucking happened. See that? You see that? So, if something's not true, why is someone afraid? Why is someone afraid of you testifying in court? Starseed. Why is this person afraid? Oh, because they owe you money. What do they owe you money for? What do they owe you money for? This King of Swords. Family betrayal. So this King of Swords may be in your family. Yep. Move when the Most High tells you to for ideal results. You got dragon energy out here. Oh, shit. So you got a King of Swords here who's stealing, lying, being deceptive on some multiple levels probably. And the Divine is sensing off your spidey senses, right? Like your shit is tingling like out of control. And you're like, this ain't a drill. I know that my guys are having me read on this for a reason, right? Because I definitely wasn't planning on doing this like this right at this very second. Okay. This King of Swords doesn't have any self-control because they know that the hammer is coming. Okay. And now they're looking real messy because they know that they can't control this situation anymore. Okay. Yep. This person could be a Gemini, a Libra, or an Aquarius. All right. We were getting the Andromeda download. Okay. Fire sign woman. You could be an Aries. You could be any fire sign, really, but a high vibrational one, obviously, if the light's working with you. Your frequency got to be, your vessel got to be tuned so high that the benevolent realm would even want to possess you. If your frequency is too low, if you're doing what all these other ratchet ass bitches do and you move like these other ratchet bitches do, the light can't move through you. That doesn't mean you're not going to still live your life and be who you are. But it's about frequency. And see, people get this confused, right? They look at things at face value, right? Because that's part of the matrix. But you decided to use the matrix to your benefit and hoes want to be mad? No. Because any tool that the enemy uses, the light could use too. It's all about your intention behind it and how you wield it. But they haven't reached that level of Hogwarts study yet. All right? The chains have been broken. Somebody try to keep you bound to something, but you're not bound to nothing. And the angelic hosts are applauding you because you gonna get your blessings. And whoever this King of Swords is, they're getting karma right now. They're getting karma right now for whatever this is they did. So whoever this King of Swords is, if you're wondering why you're losing contracts or shit ain't going right or things are slowing down or whatever it is, whatever you're facing, I don't know, whatever you're facing, but the reason why this shit is happening to you is because of what you did to a fire sign woman. You don't have to feel singled out. There's a lot of people, you know, karma's making its rounds right now, to be honest. Karma's making its rounds right now. Yep. This fire sign woman's gifts are getting stronger. And shit, if your ops ain't know now, they know now you leveled up and you ain't fucking around. All right? Shit. They talking about pedophilia. They're talking about SA here. This shit crazy. All right? I don't know who the fuck this is, but this person need to tread lightly lying on you. This person could have even been spreading rumors about you. Is it true what they're saying about you is coming out in reverse? So this person is spreading lies about you. They might even play in your face and act like they not, but they are. Look at that. They're defaming you out of jealousy because they know that they're going to be facing federal time. It don't matter where on this planet they are. They'll get extradited. I'm telling you right now, this person has the audacity to be defaming you after everything you did for this person. This person's defaming you out of jealousy because they're not happy that you're making progress when they work so hard behind the scenes to enslave you.